Hello people, this is the Arduino Yun Enclosure video. As you can see, this is a regular Arduino Yun board. It has Linux inside, which allows you to make amazing things with Linux on it. So I had a problem that I couldn't find any enclosure or casing on the regular sites like ThinkBirds or any other. So I decided to make my own, and so I took all the measurements of the holes, the board, the size of the ports, the Ethernet, and the other two USB ports. Then I took all the measurements and just made an initial design on Sketchup, and I designed this. This is the first part. This is the base. The bottom, as you can see, it has all the spaces for putting the screws here. It has all the sizes that you need. It has like 4 millimeters inch, just to make it more robust. And then, if everything goes well, it will fit right here. Okay, great, excellent. And the holes are just aligned. Okay, that's great. Going well. Okay, then I designed also this part. By the way, I print all of this. This 3D printing, of course. I printed with my new PrintrBot. This is an amazing printer, especially if you make by your own. You assemble it. So this is the top. It has some parts here, some pieces just to hold it to the base, right here. And if everything goes well, it should fit smoothly. Okay. Alright. Excellent. So, as you can see, it fits well. It holds. You can add later, if you want, a hole here, just to screw it to the rudder. The base, the top with the base. You can make some holes all the way down here to put some cables to the sensors or the analog inputs or digital inputs or output. And I'm thinking in making a small hole here, either printed or with a drill, to put a LED sign there. And besides, if you want, you can make any type of signs, letters or things, just to make it beautiful. And okay, it will look nice. So that's it. That's my solution for the Arduino Yun Enclosure. I made it. Okay, thanks. See you then, live from Costa Rica. Pura Vida.